Welcome man to alphamantraining.com. I just come back from 4 girls party. I fucked a girl. Same you gonna do as well. So it is late night. Eastern Europe. And, everybody kind of go to sleep to bed. Everybody's sleeping already. People who are going to work, and I'm after 4 girls party. I met a girl during the daytime. I just got here number. I almost made same day late, and she called me tonight and said, come on, we are 4 girls. Can you join and dance with us? Because I dance with you here really well. So I think she told to her female friends, and yeah, she invited me. Same gonna happen to you, girls. Who you gonna approach? They gonna invite you to. Excuse me, it's not we. Okay, let's see here. Girls gonna invite you to party. I'm trying, to. It's a little bit night, but quickly will be, light. So wait a moment. I will approach lights. So I got her number, and that was awesome. I was in a bed, and I received her call. She was calling to me, can you come over our place? We are bored, 4 girls, 3 my female friends. Can you come over and hang out with us, dance? That's what I'm saying you. That's why you need to learn from me every dancing technique, because my dancing systems are concentrated to seduce a woman. You gonna seduce them. You're gonna seduce them. They're gonna invite you to their parties. They're gonna be 4 girls, 3 girls. Doesn't matter. She gonna be with her female friends, and she gonna invite you. That happened to me. Now I'm walking back after sex. I feel really amazing. And I just came to their party, did AMT systems, fucked 1 girl, isolated. Because look, not all girls gonna want to get laid with you. Others gonna cock block you. So always, what I noticed, always will be 1 girl who will gonna get laid with you. And this is an AMT systems how to find here. So make sure you check the products which I included. Buy all products, send me ID. I'm gonna unlock you all the products. Start to learn, because it will require time to develop those skills. So don't wait, invest now, and such amazing nights gonna wait you. See you. It is Alpha Man Training. Bye.